Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super practical Power BI tutorial for you, one that's going to make your reporting and analytics way more insightful. We're diving into how to create age groups in Power Query step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to neatly categorize ages, like teens, young adults, adults, and seniors, right inside Power BI, making your data cleaner and more understandable for your audience. Let's jump right in and get started. First up, let's load your dataset. Just open up your Power BI project and bring in the table that has your age data. You'll usually see this on your main report view. But instead of doing all the calculations or transformations in the main space, we want to work in Power Query. That's like the prep kitchen for all your data cleaning and shaping tasks. So go ahead and click on Transform Data. This opens up the Power Query editor where we'll make our changes. Once you're in the Power Query editor, look up at the top menu for the Add Column tab. This is where we'll be adding our new column that classifies ages into groups. Now click on Conditional Column. Think of this feature as a smart assistant. It lets you create new columns based on a set of logical rules. We want to build rules that convert raw age numbers into age group categories. In the Conditional Column dialog, let's give our new column a name type age group. Naming columns clearly is always a good habit so you and anyone else looking at the data know exactly what this column represents. Now, it's time to set up the conditions. Imagine you're sorting a stack of forms by age and setting them into bins: teens, young adults, adults, and seniors. That's essentially what we're telling Power BI to do programmatically for our first condition. Set the column to age, the operator to is less than or equal to, and the value to 20. In the output box, put teen. This means any age 20 or younger will be grouped as teen. It's helpful to think about this not just as a label, but as a way of instantly filtering and analyzing, say, the preferences or ticket sales for younger folks in your dataset. Next, let's add the second condition. Again, set the column to age, operator to is less than or equal to, and this time set the value to 30. Output should be young adult, so anyone who didn't fit the first category but is still 30 or under falls into this group. This is great if you want to see trends for college age or early career adults. For the third condition, we move on to adult. Set age as your column, operator is less than or equal to, and value to 50. Output is simply adult. Now, as you probably guessed, this will scoop up everyone older than 30 but not yet above 50, a very standard business reporting segment. Now for everyone else ages above 50, we want them to be marked as senior. The else part of the conditional column dialog is like a catch-all net. Just set the output here to senior. If you want, you can tweak these levels for your business needs, but this breakdown is a common one for age demographics. Once you've set all your conditions, press OK. Now let Power Query do its magic. This might take a few seconds if you've got a big dataset, so don't worry if there's a tiny pause. You should see your new age group column appear, populating with the right categories next to each person's age. If you ever make a mistake, you can always go back and edit these steps. Power Query is really forgiving that way. When you're happy with your new column, just click Close and Apply up in the corner to exit Power Query and bring your data, complete with age groups, back into Power BI. And that's it. Now you're set to use these age groups in your reports and visualizations, making your insights clearer and more actionable for everyone who'll use your dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop any questions or experiences you have with Power Query in the comments below, and of course, subscribe for more tips and tutorials on Power BI and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.